Hi everyone, welcome back to ZP Learning. Today we are starting an exciting new lesson on decimal numbers in Abacus. By the end of this session, you will know exactly how to place decimal numbers on Abacus and perform addition and subtraction with them like a pro. Have you ever wondered which place on the abacus is considered the decimal point? Here is a simple way to remember it. If you consider that rod as your home point, the rod immediately to the home point is considered the 0 rod. Moving right, the next rod represents -1 rod, -2 rod, -3 rod, and so on. Imagine the space between the home point and the 0 rod as the decimal point. Let's place some decimal numbers on the abacus. 1.1, 0.6, 9.9, 24.4, 15.5, 98.8, 55.5. Give it a go on your abacus tool. Once you have tried, let me know in the comments how easy it was for you. Now we will dive into addition and subtraction with decimal numbers. Stick with us till the end. And I promise you will learn amazing tricks to master abacus calculation effortlessly. 2.2 plus 5.5 plus 1.1. The answer is 8.8. 8.5 plus 11.2 plus 21. There is no bit to add 1. That's why we need to add tens complements to add 1. Add a 10 less than 9.21. 21. The answer is 40.91. 40.91. 71.71 plus 13.13 minus 84.11. The answer is 0.73. Zoom the abacus. 51.03 plus 21.21 minus 52.22. The answer is 20.02. 20.02. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson and learned something. We are coming back soon with a new lesson. Thank you for watching.